Naka jing temu ban pen sung thu shu iki samla pule halor ka jing snew ka bashir khai naka jing le ben ni le jot yaki wei haga jaka pule kham tam yaki ba khamret ka bangi khot ka ragging haga tin nong wei ka anti ragging committee but ka NSS unit jong ka St Mary's College Shillong ka pen long ya ka awareness program halor ka phang padang the impact of ragging on mental health and its legal consequences. Lani ke jing kata jong ke jing sha le ben ha ka bor perkhan bagi jing pen sitam kat kum ki kendon an ka bala pen long ha college auditorium ha gring ka sngi lawan a jing pen sha halor ka ni ka phang da ka kong di Mawlong ka assistant professor jong ka Shillong Law College ka blai thu e ka we ka jing jia Iehnoh Jingpule hadu ar phongot ki samla puli engineer but andala wat bhaya ka daw la lap ba ka dait na ka jing sha le ben ha ki bala kham he class lani ki seniors kala pen kan maru baka don ka an ban pensitam yaki bale ben nakabasat patok duna ya ka arsnam la don ru ka jing simbanta dagi samla pule bat kino hikai bala pen kod ya ka program daga sarbani das gupta kano hikai ka balong ru ka khot jong ka anti ragging committee ha college.
You do my work, you do my homework, iron my clothes. They may not think it's ragging, they may think it's just a help that we need to assist the senior. Alright? But in fact, that is also ragging, which is people are unaware about it. They don't know. That is why now they have kept it, like everywhere we need to give awareness on ragging, awareness on that. They even kept, if I'm not wrong, August 12th is called as an anti-ragging day. If I'm not wrong, there's a day for it and it is called as a day whereby we need to observe all this. We need to observe, reason being is awareness to the society, awareness in this institute. And here in Meghalaya, there are many unreported cases. Are you clear? Now, bullying is considered direct if it involves an overt attack. Overt means if it's done openly. In that case, in the engineering college case, okay, there were around 20 students that dropped out. When they found out the reason why they dropped out, it's all because of ragging. Because most of the cases are unreported. They say, oh, she died. She died because of what? They don't know. It does not go to the police station as well, some cases. Some cases go to the police station. Yes, it is flashed out, in the limelight. But when it does not go, it just stays there only because they are ill. Because a person is ill. There can, like I told you, there can be imprisonment, which can be awarded for the term of 3 years as well. Alright?
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bha ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan ra shapi lingba ko office jong commissionerate of food safety Meghalaya